So guys, the YouTube Studio in your phone, I want to show you how you can make good use of it in this video. So this is the YouTube Studio already, and this is one of my channels here. So the first thing I have to do is to, of course, once you go to your YouTube Studio, you see yourself in the dashboard, which is where I just left. And if you click on the three dots up here, you will see options like dashboard, videos, playlists, comments, and analytics. So I clicked on all videos. So that is what it is loading right away. Here you see all the videos you have uploaded in your channel, and they will all come up in a manner at which they were uploaded. Okay, so according to the latest will always be up. And not only that, you will see the views, the number of views, the number of comments, and thumbs up. Here also is where you can actually edit your video. You can click on any of them, click on the pencil, and you can edit the topic of your video when you click on the pencil on each of the video. So these are the videos and their views. Okay, and another thing you can actually achieve with this is to go to your comment section. So these are some of the comments in the videos, but you can go back to the three dots over there on your top left corner and click on your comment section. There you see all the comments so far in your videos, and according to the latest will always come up. There you can also attend to your comments. You can also attend to your comments here and reply to them. As you can see, almost all the comments have been liked and probably replied. So you can give it a thumbs up and you can give it a love. As the channel owner, you are the only person that can give a channel love, but every other person can actually give it a thumbs up. And you can also use the reply. Okay, then you click on the analytics, which is where I am right now. In this analytics, you have things like overview, you have audience, you have discovery, and so on. So I'm in overview here. Here you have your views. Remember, this is 28 days. So click on the 28 days for it to show you to 365 days. Now these are the number of views YouTube are actually working with. Okay, now you can also check your videos and know the ones that has got views. For now, I am seeing 48 hours ago. Here where you're seeing 48 hours ago, click on it and you can switch to 90 days, 28 days, or 365 days. Okay, the most important one is your watch time, which is this one. Now they are showing you last 28 days. And remember, they said watch time and they bracketed it in minutes. Remember, YouTube Studio on phone gives you minutes of watch time. Many people do the mistake when they see minutes, they think it's hours. This channel has 51,000 minutes. Of course, you're looking for 4,000 watch hour. It doesn't have up to 4,000 watch hour. If you should divide this 50 something thousand by 60, which makes a minute, you see that it has not gotten up to 4,000 watch hours. So what you have here in the last 365 days is 240,000 minutes. That is what will give you 4,000 watch hours. Okay, when you divide 240 by 60, you get your 4,000. So do not be deceived by the number you see here. It is minutes and not hours. So that is it. Here you can see down here, you see your top videos according to how the videos have their views, and most of the things it's showing you here is by 48 hours. So here you can check your audience to know where your audience are coming from, their gender, their age bracket, the top countries that are viewing you. Okay, so you can click on them one after the other to see the full analytics of your audience. So for this channel I have this age brackets. Okay, now interactive, okay, this is for your, don't forget, it's still for your watch time. Okay, watch time, you can see the watch time for each video. You can click on each video and see the videos analytics. So this is interactive content. Here you see your click per cards. That is the end screen and the cards. You know, once you use your end screen and the cards, somebody can actually click on it to view your other videos. Okay, so that is it about analysis. And don't forget, you also have your playlist here. I showed you the playlist where you see different playlists you have created and the views.